cracking, guys? Alright, we're at the range. Do a little bit of shooting. I'm walking down to set up some targets right now. Wanted to let you guys know that I'm like 3 subscribers away from 300, so I figured I should do some sort of contest. So I'm gonna have like 3 or 4 prizes to give away. It's gonna be a video response contest. So I'll set the terms of it here when I get to the 300 mark, but when I do, all you'll have to do is create a video response and submit it, and you'll be entered immediately. The rules are going to be pretty simple. US citizens only. I apologize to the overseas viewers, but that's just the way it's got to be. So domestic only. I don't know if there's going to be an age limit because it kind of depends on what the prize is going to be. So I mean, there's going to be one big one and a couple little ones, so we'll see. I don't know exactly yet, but look out for that. It should be out in the next day or two. Today we're just going to be shooting some a little bit of pistol, but mainly some ARs. So right now we're setting up at 100 yards. That's the max distance my range has. You can see them down there setting up a little bit. So we'll go ahead and set these targets up here real quick, and we'll get started, and we'll throw the camera on for the shooting. All right, this is what we're going to be shooting. This is my AR. I don't know if you guys have noticed, I don't think I made a video on it, but I added a few things to it. I got the Spectre Lane Yankee Hill Diamond Series quad rail put on it, the angled vertical grip or angled foregrip AFG, the mag pull flip up front sight, a Hogue grip. There's a couple new things, a bad lever battery assist device, a few new things thrown on the AR. So anyway, we're going to be shooting this as mine. I don't know if you guys remember from the AR build that we did a month ago or whatever. This is it now. Got a little bit more done to it. He threw a light laser on it. The quad rail that came on my gun, he picked that up. And just a vertical grip. And alright, at 100 yards, we're taking five shots a piece. So we're going to get kind of competitive so you can get the best group and at the best point on the target. So it's a little bit tough. I don't know if you guys can see out there. I'm going to try to zoom in. It'll get shaky. We got white targets on a white back with red dot only. So it's going to be real tough to get a good group. Plus we're both shooting 4 MOA dots. So and you got to think the red dot at 100 yards is taking up 4 inches of that target. So a real nice tight group is not hard, but a little challenging anyway. So go ahead and shoot when ready. Safety. Alright, I'm just walking up to him now. See his target. Did I? We got 3, where's the 4th? Oh, yeah, right down there. Alright. And then here's the one I felt, jerk, that I was telling you about. So, not too bad though. But we forgot to bring the tape to cover them up. Alright, we'll remember them, but there's our first round. That was first shots of the night, so we'll warm up and see if we can't do better. So we'll catch you guys in a second when we get ready to shoot again. Alright, we're going to be doing the same thing, same distance, same targets. So we can't just take it as, you know, one series winner determined. We have to go over a couple, 2, 3, 4 of them. So this is number 2. Getting ready to shoot. Ready? All right. Four or five? Four. Let's just walk down there again. We don't. All right, we're approaching them now for the second round. We'll see how we did. Go to this one first. All right, so you had one dead center, two left, and two low. But it's an improvement over the last one, so it's pretty good. Let's see. That's two right there. 1, 4, 5. So pretty much the same group as last time. So not bad. Hopefully we can still improve it though, so let's do it again. Yep. Fire when ready. How do you feel about that one?
I think they're all in the target.
All on paper. All right, I'm up.
Ready? Yeah.
All right, approaching 4, check number 3, third shoot. Looks like you're left on this one, but again, your groups are, you know, within 3-4 inches, just off left a little bit this time, so you might need to adjust your sight. There it is. Oh, back up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.